Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Screenflow 9. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a Bokeh Blur Video Filter to give a nice depth of field blur. This is great if you want to accent something or to fade out the end of your video. For this first example, I want the top track, or the top layer, which is this one right here, to remain in focus. And I want to apply the Bokeh Blur effect on the background to give it a nice depth of field, the same way you would do it with your camera using the Aperture. So the top track is going to remain in focus and the background is going to be blurred out. On the timeline, select the footage that you want to add the Bokeh Blur to. Then go up to the inspector panel, make sure on the video tab, that's the first one, go down to Video Filters, you can twirl that open, and just click on this little plus symbol to add a video filter. I'll click on that. You'll see there's a category for blur. You can go search for that, or you can go up to the search field and just type in Bokeh, and you'll see that Bokeh Blur. Once it's selected, just click on Add to apply it to the footage. Just drag the sliders until you get the look that you want. Once you get a look that you like, I recommend saving it as a style preset so you can reuse it over and over again in your Screenflow projects. Just click on the cube in the top right corner, click on plus again. It saves it as an untitled new style. Click on this little arrow, select rename, we'll call it Bokeh Blur, and now we've got ourselves a style preset that we can reuse anytime we want. We'll do it one more time, but this time at the closing. I'll select the footage that I want to add the Bokeh Blur effect to. I'll come up to the Video tab, that's the first one in the Inspector panel, open up Video Filters, and click on the plus. You can twirl down Blur, or just do a search, Bokeh, click on Add. You can adjust the sliders, or if you saved it as a style preset, click on the cube, go to the Bokeh Blur that you saved as a style preset, and that'll apply your previous settings. And that is how you apply the Bokeh Blur effect in Screenflow 9. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.